is up, everybody? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am currently in the car. I have not driven a car in 2 years, and my sister trusted me with her Audi. So here we are. I came to Safeway to get some donuts because my sister and her boyfriend have kids. So there's kids at the house, and I figured I could treat them to some nice donuts. So that's the plan. We're gonna go back home, have some donuts and coffee, and then we're gonna go to the beach. It's 47 degrees Fahrenheit and it's raining, but we're gonna go to the beach, get out for a bit, get some fresh air, socially distant, and yeah, I'll bring you guys along with me. So let's get started with today's vlog, peeps.